Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the CapCut app. Here it opens up in the editing menu. From here we just tap on me, and here we will find this page. And here we have a few options. We can either log into TikTok, so the CapCut app is going to use our TikTok account, or sign in with Google, sign in with email, or sign in with Facebook. We can link our CapCut account to these accounts, thereby making it easier to post creations on these websites and these social media platforms. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope that's helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.